Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best window cleaning solutions on the market, the E-Cloth Window Cleaner Kit.
If you're tired of streaky windows and the hassle of chemical cleaners, this might just be your new favorite tool.
Let's get into why.
The E-Cloth Window Cleaner Kit offers a revolutionary approach to cleaning windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces.
What sets it apart is its ability to achieve streak-free results using just water. Yes, you heard that right. No more sprays or wipes cluttering your cleaning routine.
The kit includes two specialized microfiber cloths, the window cloth and the glass and polishing cloth. The window cloth, with its waffle weave design, effortlessly removes dirt and grime. Follow up with the glass and polishing cloth to eliminate any remaining streaks, leaving your surfaces crystal clear.
These cloths aren't your average microfiber.
They feature microscopic fibers that trap dirt and grease, ensuring a thorough clean without scratching delicate surfaces.
One of the best parts about E-Cloth is its sustainability.
These cloths are reusable and machine washable up to 100 times, helping to reduce waste from disposable wipes and paper towels.
Now, let's walk through how easy it is to use the E-Cloth Window Cleaner Kit. Start by wetting the window cloth with water. Wipe down your window or glass surface to remove dirt and grime. Next, use the dry glass and polishing cloth to buff away any streaks and achieve a sparkling finish. If you're wondering why you should choose E-Cloth over other options, here are a few reasons. Performance. It consistently delivers streak-free results, which is essential for clear, spotless windows. Durability. With a 100-wash guarantee, these cloths are built to last, saving you money in the long run. Versatility. Beyond windows, they're perfect for mirrors, car windshields, and more. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for the best window cleaning solution that's effective, eco-friendly, and easy to use, look no further than the E-Cloth Window Cleaner Kit. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to sparkling, crystal clear surfaces with just water. Check out the links in the description below to get your own kit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this one.